when ma'am you learned the solar system, how did you learn the solar system? Picture, bloody picture on the... Can somebody in this audience tell me what is the speed at which the earth is moving? Approximately? Okay, I'll tell you, it's the difference between here and Bangalore. Earth is moving. So the earth is moving multiple. So the earth is rotating around itself. That is one movement. Second movement, it is revolving around the sun. That is the second movement. The third thing is the sun is not static. The sun is also moving. So when the sun is moving, you're doing this, but you're also doing this, and the sun is moving, so you're going forward like that. And then the entire Milky Way, the galaxy is also moving. And there are other galaxies that are moving. Look at how a child can imagine the solar system and then teach geography. You watch how people listen to geography class. Chart ke upar. No, then you kill me. Now today there is a technology to teach these things. You have to stop believing that you hold all the information in the world. Today, if there are 40 students in your class, that child has got probably 200 sources of information, because mother has got 2 phones, father has got 1 phone, there is a grandfather at home, he's also got all the time in the world. When you gone to school, he's reading your other textbooks, and then he's also doing some research with glasses. When you come back, he'll give you some gyan. And he's got his own phone or her phone. So there is a lot of information. Your job is that of a crucible. Chemistry teachers, understand what crucible is? That bowl. So you put everything inside and do tuck, whatever you scrape on, that is crucible. So your job is that of a crucible. It's sort of a whiteboard, it's of a mixie. That's what you do. If you don't know the subject as much as every student in the class, it's fine. Because your job is of a facilitator now. That is what teachers need to do. And the more a teacher does this, the better the teacher gets as the classes get higher. Till class 5, there is no argument. We have to follow what we do because that is a tried and tested way it works. But beyond 5, it has to change.